Hi, I'm Nick Baycott from KSHE Radio, and I'm here with our friends at Weber Chevrolet. We're going to talk car maintenance today. Basic car maintenance, which some of you macho guys are going to be thinking, you know it all. Well, two things I could say. First of all, you might want to explain this to a young driver, maybe your daughter, like I have many, many times. And then for anybody who doesn't know the basics of car maintenance and you're driving a car, you should know these basic maintenance techniques. With me is the experts from Weber Chevrolet to walk us through.
Engine oil is the lifeblood of that engine. We've got to have it at a decent level. And the neat thing about cars now today, a lot of devices are sealed up, but we've got things that we need to check that are clearly marked. That, again, talking to somebody younger who doesn't check oil, it's something really, really simple.
They don't, I know. They don't. I've taught my daughter 3 times, so this is the 4th one.
Easy
Maybe they'll
stuff.
stick with a visual aid.
Easy stuff, because I mean they've made it really nice and easy for us and everybody to be able to do things like that. So the first thing we're going to do, and if you will, pull that yellow dipstick, that's our engine oil. And when you come up, you should check this engine oil every time you fill all the way up with gas. It may seem a bit much, but it's not. You need to check it. So he's doing it perfectly right. The engine's going to be off. We're going to wipe that dipstick off first, so we get a good clean indication of how much we've got left in the motor. And looking at that, we're right in the middle, right exactly where we should be. If it comes out discolored, got that gummy look or a blackness to it, then it's time to change.
Here's another convenient feature from your friends at Weber Chevrolet. 4 different locations, 4 websites, and an app. For scheduling your maintenance, you can open up the app from Weber Chevrolet and you push a button for oil change or one of the other maintenance issues you might have. And quick as pushing a button on an app, you have your appointment scheduled. Easy as that. Modern technology helping us out, saving us another step in our car maintenance.